Jiacheng Medical Devices specializes in endoscope products, spare parts supply, and professional maintenance technical support. We supply rigid endoscopes, regular spare parts, maintenance support, and OEM services to clients worldwide. We follow standard operating procedures. All processes from assembly and parts handling to maintenance are rigorous, consistent, and fully traceable. All products are inspected for appearance, structure, optics, and functions prior to delivery to meet customer needs. We provide cinoscopes, cystoscopes, resectoscopes, laparoscopes, and related accessories to meet customers' various procurement and technical needs. We control every detail from inspection to delivery, ensuring safe, intact, and reliable products.